In this RoutBot CNC application video, we will see how to install the RoutBot CNC graphical user interface software on a Windows 8 laptop computer. The first thing to do is to insert the RoutBot CNC graphical user interface software CD in the CD drive. The installer will start automatically. If the installer does not start automatically, we need to open a file explorer, browse to the CD, and double-click on the file called install_RoutBot CNC. When the installer starts, Windows will ask us for permission to make changes to the computer by this verified publisher software. We will click on Yes. Next, we will get a screen to start installing RoutBot CNC. In our case, RoutBot CNC was already installed on this computer. Therefore, the installer will ask us to remove the old version before installing the new version. When we do that, the very first time we connect to the CNC controller, RoutBot CNC will ask us to re-enter our old license number. Now we are ready to remove the old version, so we're going to click on Yes to continue. Then we're going to click on Yes again. Now the old version have been uninstalled from this computer. We click on OK. Now we are ready to install the new version. We're going to click on Yes, Next. Now we can read the license agreement, and we're going to check the I accept the license agreement, and we're going to click on Next. Now this message is telling us that RoutBot CNC require administrator privilege, which means that we need to be log in into an administrator account, not a guest or user account. In this case, we are already logged in into an administrator account with administrator rights, so we're going to click on Next to continue. Now, we have the option to choose where do we install RoutBot CNC on our computer. In this case, the default location is RoutBot CNC Mill. If we were installing the late software, it would have been RoutBot CNC Late, but we are happy with the location where the software will be installed, so we click on Next. Now we can create a shortcut, and it is highly recommended to leave this box checked, because this will create a shortcut on your desktop, so that will allow you to quickly find the software, and you just double click on the shortcut and the program will run. So we're happy with this setting, so we're going to click on Next. Now everything is ready to go, so we're going to click on Install. Now the software has been successfully installed, and we're going to click on Finish to launch the software for the very first time on this computer. Now the RoutBot CNC software is running.